Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Cinema for me is a change of perception. Is every film which I make and I want to make in the future also has to break some kind of barriers. Bareli Ki Barfi was my contribution to Indian cinema to get back the smaller towns into picture. I can be the voice of many voiceless people, many hearts who urge to want to do something but cannot. I am a filmmaker, but still I'm not a filmmaker. I kind of stay away from that ego of saying that I'm a filmmaker. Once I'm finished with my film, then I'm a human. I am kind of a little yogini. I feel that there's lots more to give to society. I'm a painter. I love my gardening. So basically, yeah, so I'm a life lover. I belong to a middle class family, which is like any other middle class family in this country. I was very bad at math and I didn't want to do anything related to studies, I would say. I was more of a creative person. So I finished my class 12. गिरते पढ़ते, जैसे नील बटे सन्नाटा में लिखा है कि गिरते पढ़ते बस पास हो गई मैं. From being a trainee visualizer to becoming an art director, to becoming a writer, to becoming a creative director, to becoming an executive creative director, to traveling across the globe, to attending Cannes festivals and getting all the awards there, to doing about 300, 400 odd ad films behind the camera. It's been a long journey. Yeah. Bollywood was always like, a scheme of things which only a few people, a privileged few could get into, You have to have connections, you need to know how to even write a screenplay for a film, feature film. But I always knew that the kind of stories which I was saying in ad films were never about 60 seconds. My client always used to tell me that ये तो feature film है, इसको तो छोटा करो तुम. So that's how it happened, and that's how Nil Bate Sannata happened. I have stories which I want to tell in a longer length, and also I feel that the medium is very different. You can get to do a lot more. It's absolutely untrue that Bollywood doesn't welcome outside people, is because I'm the first person who went into that without even having any ad film background, because my own ad film guys didn't trust me, and I got a lot of love and support in making feature films. There was a little ladki hai, direction hai, kya kar rahi hai. Also because I'm totally an outsider, and I'm also coming from a corporate background where I have never faced any of these issues, because in a corporate field, I see women all the time around. I have clients who have a lot of women, but there it was a little different, and also a very isolated job. I'm a very people's person. Film is like this. When Bareli Ki Barfi happened, no one had seen comedy in that space. They must have seen it like during Rishikesh Mukherjee time or that time. But then comedy, the whole idea of comedy changed. So Panga was an ode to all those mothers who throughout their lives do so much for their children, for their husbands, for their family, and always keep themselves behind. When an audience takes sides in cinema is when you as a filmmaker, you as a storyteller have achieved what you wanted to say. I think today it is important for more men and women to come and tell stories, and that too stories which are fearless. I am much grounded as I can, and I'm much stronger in the mind as I can, and I should just keep doing my work with as much integrity and simplicity without bothering about name, fame, and all the media glare which comes along, which can be in the form of online Twitter, Instagram and all those things, and it can be in the form of who you are actually inside, and that makes you a stronger person.